to our shareholder, 5% for the cash dividend in for 2024 dividend. The most interesting part of the performance of the company in Q1, this is the actually I said here is the 4 months, but actually it's only 15 days since April. This number, the SAOGAT, because we launched SAOGAT in April this year, and within 15 days we achieved the pre-sale of 2.1 trillion dong for the pre-sale of SAOGAT. And please note that this 2.1 trillion dong only came from 73 units, which means 1 unit can cost our customer more than $1 million. And this is this pre-sale is only came from the existing phases like the Aqua or the Park Village. We did an kick off and trading sales in end of March and officially launched the like we call it not the new launch, but like the new sales in April, and we achieved quite a significant number. I think this number show the demand in customer and the confidence of the customer back to the market, not only in the high-rise project inside of Ho Chi Minh City like previous year anymore. Now it's spread into the surrounding area of Ho Chi Minh City like Long An province and Dong Nai province, or Bình Dương province. And also thanks to our here, there's a new project next to our water point. It makes the market warmer and it helps a lot on the demand and a lot of demand for the customer in this area too. So in April, end of April this year, our shareholders is approved for the business plan of the company for the revenue in 2025. We plan to get almost 6.8 trillion dong for the revenue, and net part MI is 700 billion dong. The significant change in our plan is the pre-sale number, almost 3 times compared to what we achieved in 2024. So this is the revenue breakdown and also pre-sale breakdown. You see the pre-sale in 2025 mainly came Long An projects, which mean like Water Point, and also Dong Nai project, Izumi and Paragon. So to achieve the pre-sale of like 14.6 trillion dong, it make our sales team have to do the sales in different way, and in the past Nam Long only have 1 sales team, and of course we outsource a bit, but like not much. Usually we use the in-house sales team, but this time we expand the sales team into 2 teams and also outsource quite a lot of the agency to support us on the sales. And this time in the past, Nam Long launched the project separately, like from Water Point and then Central Lake and then Akari or Paragon. But now this time in Q3, you will see, especially in Q3 this year, you will see Nam Long launch quite a lot of projects. Not on the same month, but like usually like July we plan to launch Water Point, and then August will be Paragon and Izumi. And also the company will open new trading floor in District 2 to team area, and also we will launch the new trading floor in Hanoi too. So we expand not only in the sales but also in the coverage of the sales team in not only in the surrounding area of our existing project, but also to the District 2 in Hanoi. Yeah. So as I mentioned before, like in April we only launched the existing phases like the Park Village and the Aqua, yeah, for the big size villa. But in Q3 July this year, we plan to launch the Pearl and also the high rise, the ST5. This is the Flora standard, higher than the eHome Southgate, higher standard than eHome Southgate. Selling price for ST5 that we expected around like 2.5 to 3 billion dong per unit, 60 to 80 square meter apartment. And the burn around like 50 to 55 million dong per square meter. Yeah, and Central Lake actually in Q2 in May we did an kick-off sales. Yeah, kick-off sale for the Central Lake in the 5th of May, and the official date for the launching of Nam Long Central Lake will be in 26th of May for the second half of phase 2 and phase 3 of Nam Long Central Lake Cần Thơ. And Izumi City and Paragon, we plan to launch in Q3 this year, and some good news in the area that we may expect the revised master plan, 1/5,000 master plan in the for the C4 area. In maybe it will be released in Q2 this month or in June this year. And 1/500 master plan will be released, will be approved in Q3 this year for the C4 area. So actually, but to avoid the risk that there may some other reason to cause any delay for the approval, we still decided to launch phase 3 of Izumi City based on the existing master plan. Yeah, so no need to wait for the revised master plan. We just complete the internal infrastructure and then can launch it to the market. The same concept for Paragon Đại Phước. We launched phase 1 of Paragon in Q3, maybe in July or August this year, based on the existing master plan. So no risk. There's no risk of the legal delay for the launching of these 2 projects. Yeah, I think that's all of the updates from the company. Perhaps we move to the Q&A section, Trung. Thank you.